14 Ideas on how to celebrate Valentine's Day at home. Valentine's Day is a special occasion to celebrate love and affection. What better way to do so than by having a memorable experience right in the comfort of your own home? Whether you're looking for a cozy and intimate celebration or a fun-filled day with your partner, these 14 ideas will help you plan the perfect day at home. From creating a romantic atmosphere to indulging in delicious chocolate treats, these ideas will ensure that you and your loved one have a truly unforgettable celebration in the most intimate setting. So, get ready to make this special occasion a day to remember. 1. Start the day by having breakfast in bed. Valentine's Day can start as early as morning. Planning and setting up a romantic breakfast menu with your partner's favorite dishes can be a wonderful way to make your partner happy. Think heart-shaped pancakes, fresh fruits, and maybe a small pastry or two. Prepare everything in the kitchen, making sure to add a special touch like heart-shaped garnishes or a sprinkle of powdered sugar. Don't forget to include your partner's chosen beverage, whether it's a freshly brewed coffee, a fruity smoothie, or a glass of champagne. Before serving breakfast in bed, take the time to write a heartfelt and handwritten message to your partner, expressing your love and appreciation for them. Then carefully carry the prepared breakfast to the bedroom and arrange it nicely on a tray or a comfortable table. Finally, it's time to indulge in the delicious and thoughtful breakfast spread together. Relax and enjoy each other's company, savoring the flavors and the moment. This intimate and thoughtful gesture is a perfect way to start Valentine's Day on a sweet note. 2. Compile your favorite songs into a playlist. Making a playlist for your significant other is a special way to capture the emotions and memories you share through music. Ideally, you want to create a playlist that will remind both you and your partner of your special moments together. Furthermore, you can also ask your partner to make their own playlist so you can compare the songs you both choose and see how music reflects your. 3. Create a special photo book. Your relationship with your partner is filled with countless important moments and milestones. If you have photos of them, placing these memories in a special photo book can be another wonderful way to celebrate Valentine's Day. From your very first date to the day you got engaged, each one is accompanied by a page of text that describes the significance of the moment. The photo book showcases the progression of your relationship, including your first date, family gatherings, and significant life events. The text alongside each photo allows you to relive those special moments and reminisce about the love and happiness you've shared. Through this photo book, you and your partner are able to celebrate all of your milestones and create a beautiful keepsake of your journey together. 4. Have a movie marathon. A movie marathon at home is the perfect way to relax and unwind together, creating cherished memories and moments of togetherness. The key to a successful movie marathon is selecting a lineup of your favorite films. On the other hand, you can go with a mix of genres to keep things interesting. Once you have your lineup, dim the lights to create a cozy atmosphere. Grab all your favorite snacks such as popcorn, chips, and candy, and gather plenty of blankets for added comfort. Create a cozy and comfortable space for you and your partner by arranging the seating area with extra cushions and pillows. Consider adding some fairy lights or candles to set the mood. Once everything is set up, snuggle up with your partner and start the first movie. Take breaks in between each movie to stretch, grab more snacks, and discuss the film. Enjoy the comfort and coziness of being in your own space while spending quality time with your partner. So, grab your favorite movies, snacks, and blankets, and get ready for a cozy and enjoyable movie marathon at home with your partner. 5. Play board games. Playing board games is a fantastic way to celebrate Valentine's Day at home, offering a perfect combination of fun, competition, and quality time spent together. To set the mood, dim the lights, light scented candles, and arrange cozy seating. Choose games that suit your interests or opt for romantic or cooperative themed ones. 6. Bake something sweet. Baking sweet treats is a delightful way to celebrate Valentine's Day at home. Get ready to indulge your taste buds and create delicious treats together by choosing a recipe that appeals to both of you, whether it's cookies, cupcakes, or a decadent cake. Remember that baking together not only allows you to create tasty treats but also provides an opportunity for bonding and creating lasting memories. As you measure, mix, and decorate, engage in playful banter and enjoy the process of creating something special together. The aroma of freshly baked goods wafting through the house will set the mood for a cozy and romantic Valentine's Day. Once your sweet creations are ready, savor the moment as you indulge in your homemade treats. Share them with each other, or even surprise friends and family with a special delivery. Baking something sweet on Valentine's Day adds a personal touch to the celebration and showcases your love and creativity. 7. Set up a home spa together. Creating a luxurious home spa experience is easier than you may think. To create a serene at-home oasis, gather essential oils such as lavender, eucalyptus, or chamomile to set a calming mood. Ensure you have fluffy towels, clean slippers, and cozy bathrobes for ultimate relaxation. You can even use the Renpho Foot Spa Bath Massager Pro to relax your feet. Additionally, infuse spa water with fresh fruits or herbs to keep yourself hydrated during your spa session. Set a soothing atmosphere by playing relaxing music and lighting aromatic candles to fill the air with calming scents. These small details will help transport you to a state of pure bliss and relaxation. Take the time to pamper you and your partner with DIY treatments such as face masks, scrubs, and foot soaks to complete your luxurious home spa experience. 8. Recreate your first date. Take a trip down memory lane and relive one of the most special moments that brought you together, your first date. Start by reminiscing about it and try to recreate the ambiance and activities that made it memorable. Think about the details, the location, the music, the food, and even the outfits you both wore. Set the scene with decorations and props that resemble the original setting. If you dined at a specific restaurant, try to recreate the meal at home or order takeout from that same establishment. Play the songs that were playing during your first date to set the nostalgic mood. Recreating your first date not only allows you to relive cherished memories but also provides an opportunity to reflect on your journey as a couple. Share stories, laughter, and heartfelt conversations about how far you've come since that first magical encounter. By recreating your first date, you can celebrate the foundation of your relationship and honor the love that has grown between you. It's a beautiful way to reminisce, appreciate each other, and make new memories that will last a lifetime. 9. Set up an indoor picnic. For the perfect indoor picnic, gather a basket filled with utensils, napkins, and glasses. Your favorite treats such as sandwiches, cheese, fruits, and crackers, and your preferred beverages like wine, lemonade, or sparkling water are a must. Don't forget to set up a comfortable blanket for lounging and consider adding flameless candles for ambiance. You can also play romantic films in the background for added entertainment. These are the key elements for a cozy and enjoyable indoor picnic experience. With the right setup, you can create a relaxing and intimate atmosphere for you and your partner to enjoy. So, gather your picnic basket and treats and create an indoor picnic space that's perfect for a fun and memorable time together. 10. Enjoy wine and chocolate. When it comes to pairing chocolate and wine, there are various options to explore. The traditional combination of dark chocolate and red wine is a classic favorite, with the bold flavors of the wine complementing the rich, bitter notes of the chocolate. Other pairings to consider include milk chocolate with a light-bodied, fruity wine such as a Pinot Noir, and white chocolate with a sweet dessert wine like a Moscato. To create the perfect balance of sweet and bitter flavors in these pairings, it's important to consider the intensity of both the chocolate and the wine. For example, pairing a bold, tannic red wine with a delicate white chocolate may overwhelm the subtle flavors of the chocolate. Instead, opt for a lighter red or a sweeter white wine to enhance the sweetness of the chocolate without overpowering it. The key to successful chocolate and wine pairings is to experiment and find combinations that work for you and your partner's palate. Consider hosting a tasting with them to sample different chocolates and wines together and take note of which pairings stand out as the most enjoyable. By paying attention to the balance of flavors and the intensity of the pairings, you can create a delightful experience that celebrates the best of both chocolate and wine. 11. Make chocolate together. Following the previous suggestion, you and your significant other can make your own chocolate together at home, turning it into a romantic and enjoyable activity. To start, select high-quality ingredients such as premium chocolate, fresh nuts, and dried fruits. Choose a variety of flavors and textures to add a personal touch to your homemade treats. Begin by melting the chocolate using a double boiler or microwave, being careful not to overheat it. Involve your partner by taking turns stirring the chocolate and adding in your favorite mix-ins, such as nuts, dried fruit, or even a sprinkle of sea salt. This is a fun and creative way to customize your chocolate treats together. Next, it's important to temper the chocolate to ensure a glossy finish and a satisfying snap when you bite into your creations. Practice the tempering process together, enjoying the tactile nature of working with chocolate and the satisfaction of achieving the perfect temper. Finally, pour the melted, tempered. 12. Mix your own drinks. Becoming an in-home bartender is a fun and creative way to celebrate Valentine's Day at home. Take on the role of mixologist and embark on a journey of crafting delicious cocktails together. Whether you're a cocktail enthusiast or a complete novice, this activity allows you to experiment, learn, and enjoy the art of mixology. Start by researching cocktail recipes that pique your interest or remind you of special moments. Gather the necessary ingredients, including spirits, mixers, garnishes, and glassware. Create a cozy bar area in your home, complete with shakers, muddlers, and other bar tools. As you dive into the world of mixology, encourage each other to try new flavors and techniques. Experiment with different combinations, adjust ingredients to suit your tastes, and have fun naming your unique creations. You can even design personalized drink menus or print out recipe cards as keepsakes. Sip on your handcrafted cocktails as you engage in meaningful conversations, reminisce about your relationship, or simply enjoy each other's company. The process of crafting cocktails together provides a fun and interactive experience, fostering laughter, connection, and a shared sense of adventure. 13. Set up a romantic dinner. Setting up a romantic dinner at home is a classic but still a fun and romantic way to celebrate Valentine's Day with your partner. It involves a few key elements, starting with creating a special ambiance. Dim lighting can help set the mood, along with soft, romantic music playing in the background. This will help create a cozy and intimate atmosphere for you and your significant other to enjoy. When it comes to the menu, keep it simple and stress-free. Consider preparing a meal that you both enjoy, and if cooking isn't your forte, plan ahead and consider the option of having dinner delivered. This way, you can focus on spending quality time together rather than stressing about preparing a complicated meal. Finally, involve your significant other in the process. Whether it's helping to set the table, choosing the music, or even cooking together, including your partner in the preparations can make the evening feel more special and collaborative. Planning and setting up a romantic dinner at home should ultimately be about creating a meaningful and memorable experience for both of you. 14. Just talk. But if none of the previous ideas appeal to you and your partner, having a conversation with them can be enough. Personal and in-depth talks play a crucial role in building connections, mutual understanding, and empathy. Engaging in such meaningful conversations provides the opportunity to truly connect with others on a deeper level, fostering a sense of understanding and empathy. These discussions create a space for openness, vulnerability, and validation, ultimately strengthening the bond between individuals. Conversations also contribute to our physical and emotional well-being, as they provide an avenue for expressing our thoughts and feelings. This open communication can alleviate stress and anxiety, promote mental clarity, and improve overall emotional health. By engaging in conversations, we cultivate a supportive environment that fosters a sense of belonging and acceptance, leading to reduced stress and increased emotional resilience. On Valentine's Day, it's especially important to give the gift of meaningful conversation to our loved ones. By making room in our lives to really listen and connect with those we care about, we can show them that they are valued, understood, and loved. This intentional communication can strengthen our relationships and create lasting memories of feeling acknowledged and appreciated. Takeaway. You don't have to go to a fancy restaurant or embark on a road trip to celebrate Valentine's Day. Spending time with your partner at home can be an equally enjoyable, engaging, and memorable way to spend the occasion. Whether you start the day with breakfast in bed or simply engage in a heartfelt conversation, how you and your partner choose to spend the day is entirely based on your preferences. So, this upcoming Valentine's Day, take the time to find the perfect way to spend the special occasion with your loved one. Remember that it is a time for both of you and the relationship that connects the both of you.